the secret to achieving Korean glass skin. Try this simple remedy. Are you ready to transform your skin and achieve that flawless, glowing Korean glass skin look? If so, then get ready because today, I'm sharing two simple yet powerful remedies that can completely change your skincare game. Before we begin, if you've accepted this challenge and are excited to try this remedy, drop a comment below and let me know who's in and who's not. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Magical cleansing for instant glow. To begin, we need gram flower besan, a magical ingredient that can make your skin shine and glow from just a single application. Unlike other cleansers, which may not give you that instant brightness, this natural ingredient works wonders. Here's how to prepare and apply it. Take the required amount of gram flour in your hand. Add a little water and mix it into a smooth paste. Apply this mixture evenly on your face, focusing on dark spots, freckles, pigmentation, and an even skin tone. Massage gently, especially on problem areas like blackheads and whiteheads. Regular use will tighten pores, remove impurities, and give your skin a bright, shiny, and flawless look. Try this cleansing method and share your results in the comments. Step 2. The ultimate Korean whitening cream. Now, let's move on to our homemade Korean brightening cream, which will help lighten your skin tone gradually while keeping it hydrated and youthful. Ingredients you'll need: rice flour, removes dead skin, brightens complexion, and tightens pores. Koreans use this as their skincare secret for maintaining youthful skin even in their 50s and 60s. Lukewarm water softens the rice flour for smooth application. Glycerin, a powerful hydrator, even more effective than hyaluronic acid. Lavender oil helps reduce dullness and enhances fairness. Dry milk powder adds intense nourishment for soft, radiant skin. Lemon juice, a natural lightening agent that brightens your skin without the need for expensive skin polishes. Nutmeg powder, a secret ingredient that fights hyperpigmentation, melasma, and dull skin, giving you an even, glowing complexion. How to prepare and apply the cream. Mix 2 to 4 tablespoons of rice flour with lukewarm water until it forms a smooth, creamy texture. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerin, a few drops of lavender oil, 1/2 teaspoon of dry milk, and a few drops of lemon juice. Finally, add a pinch of nutmeg powder, the ultimate solution for skin problems. Mix everything well and store the cream in a glass container. Never use plastic, as it affects the cream's effectiveness. Now, let's apply the cream. Secure your hair with a band so it doesn't get in the way. Apply the cream evenly over your entire face. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wipe it off with a soft towel or wash it directly with water. Results: your skin will instantly look brighter, pores will tighten, and blackheads, whiteheads will disappear. Bonus tip for dry skin: if your skin feels dry or stretched after cleansing, I have a super hydrating moisturizer for you. Just mix 1 vitamin E capsule aloe vera gel. This moisturizer provides deep hydration, an instant glow, and a dewy finish. No other product can match its effect. Final thoughts: must try Korean remedy. This Korean skincare remedy is truly a game changer. Try it out and let me know your results in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another skincare secret. See you in the next video. Take care.